Somewhere in the bottom of Hell's Canyon, a little red, white, and blue airplane was having a very bad day. The Freedom Fox met the ground at a time and place not entirely of its choosing. Torn fabric, bent metal, and a tail wheel that had seen better decades. The question was never whether to fix it. The question was, how do you make it better than it was before? Thanks for watching the last two videos about Hell's Canyon. If you haven't seen them, I'll link them above. That all happened last summer, and I wasn't sure if I'd ever post it, but I think there are many lessons to be learned. So I felt compelled to release it, and the responses were overwhelmingly positive, way more than I expected. We're working on a part 3 where we deep dive into some of your questions, so be sure to post them down below. Right now, let's talk about some of the repairs, and while we're at it, some of the upgrades. Once out of the canyon, I pointed toward Homedale, Idaho, the home of Kitfox, where we rolled up our sleeves and got to work with the folks at Kitfox, who know every bend of this airplane by name. The Freedom Fox was down for a few months. New fabric, new paint, straightened metal, and while we were there, we made a few upgrades. On top of all the fabric work we had to fix, the wingtip was damaged on the right side, so if we're going to replace one, we might as well replace both, with the newer, bigger wingtips that have arrowheads tucked into the leading edge. In the back, we added a new TK1 Shock Monster tailwheel. And a surprise from John at Kitfox, some brand new Acme Aero Pro Series shocks on the main gear. Those things are looking sleek. She came out of the shop a little lighter in some places and stronger in others, and looking like she meant it. After quite a bit of test flying around Homedale, we ventured into the Owahis a few times before starting the journey back to Texas. The Oahe Mountains don't care what you've been through, they're just there. Wind, ridge lines, and a whole lot of sky, waiting to find out if you still belong. The Fox answered that question about 30 seconds after wheels up. You might have also noticed something new hanging off the nose. A more recent upgrade is the Constant Speed Kato propeller, with a prop lever giving me full control of the performance. Stay tuned next week for more on the prop and my trip to Sun and Fun. I believe Trent is even going to cover some of it in his next video. She's not the same airplane that went into that canyon. She's better. And there are a whole lot of places around this country that I'm waiting to explore, because if I don't do it this year, I'll just be a year older when I do.